So, Athena came up the stairs ahead of me. And I get to the top. And I don't see Athena. I see a dust monster. Where is that dust monster? Don't know if you can even see her back there. Athena? Yeah. Come back here. Come back here, Athena. Bird? Bird, this isn't nice. This isn't nice. Come on. I won't have any dust monsters. See, I don't even know if you guys can see her little face sticking out behind there. Athena? Athena, I'm not going to have a dust monster instead of a parrot. I can't even freaking move this thing. Yeah? Athena, come here. Huh. She did this the other day. And to get out a stick, which is a rolled up Pokemon X and Y poster. And then I realized, I remember why it didn't work. Athena. Athena. Come on. You want some apple? You want some apple? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I don't know what the heck this thing is. Athena, come on. Athena. Athena. Athena, baby. I don't remember how I did it last time. Oh, yeah, see, little parrot face back there. Come here. Athena, come here. I can't push it backwards, but there's plenty of room. See if I can... See, the thing is... You know, you can't see it, but I have both hands on the sides and I'm trying to pull. And it's just not coming. Athena! Come here. I told you, stop being a dust monster. This is the most parrotless, what it's like to raise a parrot video I've ever made. Come here. Bird! Of course, you know, I could just solve this by closing this, but actually... Let's see if that brings her out. So I got Let's Go Eevee today. It's pretty cute so far. I ended up with 2 Bulbasaurs though. I caught one in Viridian Forest and then someone gave me one in Cerulean City, so that was kind of funny. Let's see, have we caught a dust monster? Very careful. No, we have not caught a dust monster. Athena? I'm going to pause this, see if bringing up the broom works.